Information you did not know before about the private life of the penguin. All living things resort to reproduction to increase the numbers of their species and to prevent the extinction of their species. There are different types of reproduction. Some organisms reproduce through sexual reproduction between the female and male of the same species, either through eggs or childbirth, and there are some organisms that reproduce and do not reproduce sexually, and this type occurs when one of the parents is present. The penguin is a seabird, and thus penguins reproduce through eggs like other birds. In this video, we will explain in detail how penguins reproduce, and at the end of the video you will be surprised with information about who incubates penguin eggs. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Welcome. Penguin mating. Penguins are monogamous, so males and females bond exclusively with each other throughout the mating season, as well as most of their lives, where it was found that some types of penguins marry the same partner by up to 90%, and this is done by forming huge colonies of penguins on the beaches in the mating season, then choosing a suitable nest to incubate the eggs. After that, the male begins to approach the female through visual and audible displays, which are represented by eschewing sounds or bobbing the head while warning the rest of the males not to approach. Egg incubation. After the mating process is complete, the female penguin lays 2 eggs, except for the female emperor penguin. Therefore, she lays 1 egg and leaves it on the feet of the emperor penguin to keep it warm, and the female goes out for several weeks to search for and secure food. Emperor birds may migrate to find new nests, while females and males take turns carrying and warming the 2 eggs between their legs in the nest. Did you know that the male fasts for more than 2 months during the period of incubating the eggs until the female returns, and during this period he lives on his own body fat, losing about 45% of his weight, then the male pursues the female and returns to the sea to feed. Children abroad, the young use their beaks to hatch the eggshell, after they complete their growth, and this process takes about 3 days for the complete exit of their eggs, and both male and female penguins take turns raising and feeding their young, and all the young gather in one place, in order to secure greater protection against predators. However, the parents only feed and care for their young, and the incubation period for the young varies in different species. Some species incubate their young for up to 1 month, while the incubation period for young emperor penguins is 62 to 66 days. Penguin mating seasons. The annual breeding season for most bird species extends from spring to summer, and small species of penguins breed throughout the year, and they have the shortest breeding cycle, which lasts only 50 days, and for penguins that live in temperate environments, they all breed around the world. Penguins tend to breed in the harshest season of the year, during the Antarctic winter, when the air temperature drops to -60 degrees Celsius, and the wind speed reaches 200 km/h, that is, in the Antarctic summer from January to February. If you like the content and want to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when a video is uploaded, do the bell button. Environmental conditions are more favorable for young birds,